Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now we're going to take a look at the starfruit trees. It is actually April the 22nd, 2022, and winter has been kind of somewhat prolonged this year. Because right now even it's a little cooler than was expecting for April, but I don't know. We'll see what happens going forward throughout the coming years. Anyhow, what you see is the old growth of this starfruit was affected from this winter and is yellowing, and all the leaves are falling off. You'll see here too, like these little branches, like they all just fall off. But there's so much new growth that you don't ever have to worry about that becoming an issue as far as whether or not your starfruit tree is going to be productive with photosynthesis. So we're seeing the effects of the freezes during the winter wear off as all this new growth starts to come out. Let's go look at the others real quick. You see all these have new growth as well. Lots of new growth. And then over here we've got some more new growth. On this one's in the understory. It's got a lot of new growth. This one did pretty well. And then this one over here. This one seems to be late on dropping its leaves, but it has a ton of new growth. I'll zoom in so you can see that. You got just new growth popping out everywhere on this one. Really amazing. So that's exciting. Just wanted to show you folks and update you on the progress of these starfruit trees. Hopefully this year we get maybe some production late in the year, but definitely hopefully next year. It might take another 4 years, I'm not sure, but we're gonna find out together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps the channel out a lot, and stay tuned because we got a lot more updates to come. Have a good day.